No doubt Facebook is probably in your life somehow. Just screwing off like I do, posting things. I do business on there, and I just love reading other people's posts and seeing where they're going vacation, or maybe I have blasts from the past posts where I have funny pictures of the hairdos and the styles of myself and the 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s. Oh my God, it's like a live scrapbook to me. That's how I kind of look at Facebook a lot of the times. But I also look at it as dollar signs, because if people are on there and if you post something of interest, especially to them or to you, that mentions, hey, do you want to save money? Of course. Would you like to earn money? Well, as kids would say, well, no duh. And if they decide to click a link, what the hell do they got to lose? Just time. They click a link, and it goes to a website that explains some stuff. The videos are already made. You don't have to do nothing except, hey, you want to earn some money? You want to save some money? Click. Boom. Take that little mouse and tickle its little bum and go watch a little video. And if you or people don't like what they're watching, they just simply delete, hit that little X at the top right of their screen, and they're off on their way. No harm, no foul. You're not knocking on doors. You're not mailing stuff with postage. You're not at a party with your business cards going, hey, I got an opportunity. Hey, do you want to save money and earn money too? You don't want to be that Amway, Avon, Tupperware, MLM person. There's nothing worse than someone desperate for you to just sign up knowing that they make money and their upline make money, and you're kind of stuck with something you didn't even want to join in the first place. Save Club, it's just, you got $20, you can join. And if you save more than $20, you're probably going to like Save Club. And if you have 3 of these things, all right, I always like to have my 320s with me. If you have 3 $20 bills, then become an affiliate and earn money. Now, this all sounds easy as I'm sitting here just talking for 2 minutes, but where do you get people to come to you and ask, what do you got going on again? Save what? And how do I go here? And I don't want you to talk to me about it. Just send me a link. That way after work, when it's quiet, I can sit on the couch or sit behind my steering wheel in my car in the garage, or I can just get on my home computer, laptop, home, whatever, big screen, and just sit there and go, oh, okay, that's what Cory was talking about. That's the kind of business I like, where you come to me and hopefully whatever I'm posting is interesting, and then I just send you a link to something to watch. That's all I do. And I do a lot of this on Facebook. I have multiple accounts on Facebook, and I do most of my posts just on my personal page, because you can see what I look like, where I'm going, what other things I do besides online business. Because if all you do is talk about join, earn, it bores people, and they just kind of zone out and go, oh God, there's probably somebody into MLM. They've never done multi-level marketing before, and they just joined Amway. It's the worst. I don't do that type of campaigns or advertising or posts. I like to screw off and just have fun, and occasionally throw in something that might be business oriented, such as the Mighty Save Club. Now, when I go to Facebook, I need people that are real, that are looking for something similar to what I'm offering, and that is saving money on things they're already buying and earning money, like a home business or an online business. Nothing like working at home in yellow shirts that you buy at Walmart for $6, and a man cave full of Hot Wheels and Lego kits, and some nice drinks off camera in my several mini fridges. A lot of benefits earning money when you want, anywhere in the world, in your pajamas. You can visit your relatives in California, live here in beautiful Utah. Maybe you live outside the country. You can do this online business thing. As long as you have some type of online access, you can do Save Club. You can definitely save money, but you can earn money too. And if you got that $60, now that's where you need to listen, because I'm an affiliate. I'm in the money-making business. And right now I've made about $1,000 a week average. I've been in Save Club 4 weeks, and my income's going to be right around $4,000. So in my mind, I've made $4,000 in 4 weeks. I've saved $950 on things, mostly tires for my truck and my Hummer. And I got some other things that I bought, like a purple mattress and car wash stuff and some other things that are food related. But I'm at $950 already. And that's just my first month spending $20 on the Save Club opportunity. But as an affiliate, for me to make another $1,000 a week, wow. And how I do that is by getting people to come to me to ask me what the hell's going on with Save Club through Facebook. I own peoplejoinpeople.com. And I want you to please just go there. And this is the page. Put your information in here. And I don't sell this information. I do not spam you. This is just good old-fashioned. Put your info here and click yes, show me. And I want you to see how I use Facebook. How I've turned it into a cash machine, a cash cow, whatever you want to call it, all those fancy terms. I just call it attention, eyeballs. I have something that I'd like people to look at that involves saving money or making money. And if those people, you, are interested, you get a hold of me, and most of my traffic, yes, YouTube, but you can see the views of my YouTube videos only hit like maybe 50 views sometimes, 100, 300, 410. I'm all over the place on YouTube. I just throw things up on YouTube, and then I use those video links to put other places. And when I go through Facebook like this opportunity, they just get a hold of me directly, usually just my inbox. You know, Cory, I like that thing or whatever. Can you just send me a link to what you're talking about? And I go, hey, no problem. Here you go. And that's where I send the links directly to Save Club. I own ilovesaveclub.com. I also have a funnel system that's quite successful as well. And this is what I suggest to those people on Facebook, that they look into ilovesaveclub.com. I just want them to join. And if they think that they need to be a part of a bigger group with free pictures, banners, free videos that you can use on all your social media platforms, okay, look into the funnel system. But I can own both these websites all day, and if I don't get one person to even click both of these links, I'm not going to, first of all, I'm wasting time. Number two, I'm not making any money. And right now I want to make money. If I have hobbies, I build Legos. If you look behind me, I've got like a bunch of Lego kits on the shelves, I think you can see. And hobbies cost money. So I need to make money so I can screw off and buy some of these crazy things on my walls and back. But I like people to go to I Love Save Club. I like you, but I want you to love Save Club. And I think you will. And I think you're going to really enjoy the funnel system. It's quite successful. It's gotten me about 11 signups. I have no doubt by the end of the day, I'm going to probably have a couple more. So this will probably be about 13 signups in 5 days. And my gateway is always saveclubfunnels.com, because when you go to that page, it asks you, hey, have you even joined Save Club first? Okay, and if you haven't, then hey, right here, the left button, go ahead and join. And if you need the funnel system, it's $25. That's it. But see this video here? It's 20 minutes, and it explains Save Club for you. For 20 minutes, it explains it. Overkill. You'll have no questions after watching this video. Your only question is, am I in or out? Do I just want to go on my way? I'm not really into this Save Club thing. And if you want more information, great. You can go search for that. But go ahead and join Save Club right here. And if you've already joined, you can be in any other opportunity. You don't have to be in my group. Don't worry about that. This funnel's for everybody in Save Club. You just got to have $25. So click Get New Funnel and watch this video. It's another short video just explaining stuff. Go ahead and hit this button to pay. And you can use Visa, MasterCard, Discover, American Express. It's a secure checkout. Don't worry. And then you're going to get our team training. And you're going to get free videos, free Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Reels, little videos that are 10 seconds, 50 seconds. You're going to love it. You're going to belong to the biggest, baddest group in Save Club. All right, I want you to do this. But how do I get leads? How do I get all these people to even look at these links? Right here. I own People Join People. I'm a big fan of that phrase. I honestly think that people do join people. Anyone can join anybody. If you just search around long enough, you're going to find an affiliate for Save Club. Do you think you know them or like them, he or she? I don't know. But the success I've had over the last 2 years is by, video. It helps me, I guess, maybe you get to know me a little bit. So if you did visit Utah, if you're just here at my radio station, we sit down, have a hamburger, or maybe, I don't know, have a nice sandwich, have some drinks, and talk about Save Club and some other stuff. But yeah, video's awesome. But if you have no way in hell thoughts of doing video, we have videos already made for you. And we have techniques through the People Join People, how you can use Facebook, which you're probably already on. And if you're on TikTok and Instagram, all of our training, all of our videos are geared towards Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, social media platforms like Twitter, X, whatever you want to call it, Threads, MySpace. Is Friendster still around? All right, so this is what I want you to do, though. I'm a big fan of Facebook leads, and this might be an answer. You don't have to do this. I just have people every day ask me, how are you successful? And I just show you the tools I do. And yeah, some of the tools, they are with a cost. But they're not expensive. Everything I do is affordable. I don't do high ticket stuff where you have to go finance your house to pay for some nonsense. All right. I like things nice and affordable. So check out People Join People. You're going to go to this page. Go ahead and just fill this out and then watch the short little movies. They're just little videos. And I think you'll see why I'm so darn successful with this. Okay. All right. I'm going to end my video. I'm at the 11-minute mark, and I'll go ahead and pop up my favorite links. Okay, there you go, kids. All right. I'm done. It's hamburger time. Believe it or not, I have some hamburgers grilling right off camera, and they're smelling good. And you know what I do? I have patty melts. I don't have hamburgers with the bun. I have 3 hamburger patties, and I put cheese on top, and then I put some seasoning. Are they called patty melts? They're just basically cheeseburgers, but without the bread. And the bread I love too, but I'm trying not to get so damn fat. So I'm just trying to get fat half speed. All right. You have a good one, okay? And thanks for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. All right. You guys have a good one, and I'm going to go have me some lunch. Take care, guys.